2025 Honda Odyssey. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.